How to make money as a freelancer. Hi. Are you looking for ways to make money as a freelancer? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll discuss some tips and tricks for building a successful freelancing career and earning a decent income. Step 1. Determine your niche. The first step in making money as a freelancer is to determine your niche. What are your skills, interests, and experiences? What services can you offer to your clients that others can't? Knowing your niche will help you stand out from the crowd and attract the right clients. Step 2. Build a strong online presence. Having a strong online presence is crucial for freelancers. This means having a professional website, social media profiles, and a portfolio showcasing your work. These tools will help you reach more potential clients and build your brand. Step 3. Network and market your services. Networking is key to success as a freelancer. Reach out to people in your industry, attend events and join online communities. Also, don't be afraid to market your services to friends, family, and colleagues. Word of mouth is a powerful tool, and you never know who might need your services. Step 4. Set competitive rates. When it comes to setting your rates, it's important to be competitive. Research what others in your niche are charging, and consider factors like experience, demand, and the value you bring to the table. But don't undervalue yourself. You want to make a decent income, after all. Step 5. Manage your time and workload effectively. One of the biggest challenges of freelancing is balancing your workload. Make sure to prioritize your tasks, set boundaries, and avoid overcommitting yourself. This will help you maintain a healthy work-life balance and avoid burnout. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to making a successful career as a freelancer. Remember, building a successful freelancing business takes time and effort, but the rewards are worth it. Good luck, and happy freelancing!